peoples, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today I have some more starter locks for you. This is one of my recently new clients, but I already love this girl. We are starting her lock journey off today. She has natural hair. She recently colored it like last year, but as you can see, her hair does grow pretty fast. She already has a lot of new growth. So today we are going to be doing small starter locks, and we will be doing comb coils. Ooh, I'll be struggling to say that. Comb coils, not two strand twist this time. And her hair is freshly washed. We washed it, and I am going to be sectioning off with Shine and Jam. Of course, everything that I use will be in the description box. How long it took me will be in the description box. So I'm also using my lock and twist gel to do the comb coils, I believe. Yeah, that's what I used. And I also have one of those tapered hair cutting combs. It's one of the combs where it's big and then it gets super skinny at the end. That helps you to create a really good comb coil, but you can also use regular combs as well. But this comb works really well, and it makes it a little bit easier. So of course, when you're starting locks, the major thing is to twist in the same direction. It's always easy to go in twist to the right, okay? So as you can already see, I was misinformed. I am using Nairobi on her hair, not the lock and twist gel. So I'm using Nairobi right now, which is a foam. A foam works well to do locks or twists. That's what I was using previously. Now I switched over to the lock and twist, but Nairobi creates a very good shine. It moisturizes the hair. So that is what I'm using on this client. As you can see, I'm just twisting. Sometimes the comb will get caught in the hair because this hair is natural. You can't expect this to just glide through, especially on this texture. Like I said in my previous starter lock video, you have to know your client's texture. So it's important that you're being gentle while you're trying to detangle the knots. And of course, I did previously detangle, but you are literally creating the curls into this one uniform curl. So it's gonna, congeal, and it has to get smooth. So you're gonna run into more knots and more tangles. So whenever her hair does tangle up, I would just take the comb out and then just start again. So as you can see, I'm doing them small and I am bricklaying them. The easiest way I can explain bricklaying is that whenever you do a square, make sure that the square above it has two. So you're going to be placing your comb in the middle of the square below it to create that brick-laid pattern. You don't want them to fall on top of each other, because that would not be bricklaying it. You know, when you see a brick wall and they're all scattered together and none of them are in a concise line, that's what you want to do with these locks or braids or twists, because you don't want them to fall on top of each other. So as you can see, I'm just twisting to the right, combing out those ends and making it do what it do, okay? I am twisting, and then I am going to clip. You can use pin curl clips or you can use roller clips, whatever you have, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you are securing the roots. And like I said, I do like to stretch out the hair a little bit, so sometimes I will put a clip on the end to elongate the hair. So as you can see, I also didn't mention that I did section from side to side, just so that she has a definite, back to front, okay? We also will be doing a middle part, which is so important to really do a good consultation when it comes to starting someone's lock journey, because not everyone wants to start over if they don't like it. Really do it as if this one time is the only time. So make sure they know exactly what size they want. Make sure you know if they want a part, if they want their whole head bricklayed. It's very important to make sure these locks are close to perfect so your client can start off their lock journey on the right foot. And let me just say that I have already done this client's second retwist. Well, first retwist. I've done her first retwist since these starter locks, and we are in love with the results. Her hair is already starting to bud. I will include a video of what her hair looks like right now on her first retwist, and it is coming together really nice. That'll be in the end of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna come back at the end when I'm getting ready to put her underneath the dryer and show you guys what we have going on. Alright y'all, so after she sat underneath the dryer for like 30 minutes, we are just going to take these clips out, and let me just say that we love the results. She loves her locks, and I'm just so happy that she chose me to start her journey off. That is such an honor. Like you guys know, I am a new hairstylist. I just got my license in March, but so many people have been trusting me to do their locks and their twists and their natural hairstyle, so that is such a blessing. After this, I will be posting a style video because we did put her hair in a little style. I love styling locks, so that was pretty fun. What else? I am going to oil her scalp a little bit. And yeah, this was actually a very long process. We were in here from 10 to 3 p.m. It took a while to get these done because comb coiling does take a while, but my lock retwists are not that long. It only takes me about 3 hours to retwist someone's locks and then restyle them and all that, and that's including a wash. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the styling video that will be coming up next week. Make sure your post notifications are on. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see from me and how you feel about these starter locks. I'm gonna holla at you guys next time. Mwah!